signing on to YouTube. I've turned my phone sideways so hopefully you can see everything better. And you'll see my last video, a few videos ago actually, I did the Halo 4 battle rifle, and it was just the outline. I said I was going to add more layers. Here it is. I've added some more layers. I stripped off all the tape that was holding it together and super glued it. So now, because the glue was so strong and held it better, it doesn't bend in the middle anymore. It really didn't bend that much, but it was still noticeable when you're holding it. So I've added a grip, a layer for the grip, and I've added the indent you'll see on the actual Halo 4 battle rifle, and then did the railing again, and did to both sides. And then I got the scope I'm working on right now, and it's hard to cut out because I've tried to make 2 videos now, and did not work out. One of them, there's 3 razors in here. One of them broke. Then I burnt myself with a hot glue gun. Not that bad. Got me on the tip of the finger. It's okay. And then the razor popped out, wouldn't go back in. So I had to make another video. And it's almost doing it again. Where's the other razor? Hold on. Sorry if it's black. Okay. So I've got it. It should be ready to pop out. Now I'm going to set up the camera. I'll put it in a different spot this time. Okay. So I got it ready. And, well, that was quick. Popped out. There's a layer on the top about to cut out. The scope. And that's just going to be an extra layer to add. And the razor keeps coming out. Okay. And you'll see what I mean here in a second when I super glue it. I think I'm about finished with my assault rifle, so you can check out my other video. Okay. And it's going to go on top of it. Top of the scope like this. Give it that extra layer. So, now just to go ahead and copy it for later. And then I can just super glue these ones. I don't have to actually get the other ones at the moment. So, going to trace it. Okay, it's traced. The top layer is the actual scope I'm working on. Okay, scope is now traced out. Now, I'm going to super glue it. Let's see here. Lay down. This is Hondo, by the way. I might have already said that. Okay. So, the camera up right here. Okay. That should do it. Okay. Got 2 layers. Now, first I probably should super glue that top layer onto the actual scope. Now, a moment. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Huh. Okay. Got it. Press it on. Hold it for a few seconds. Should be dry about now. And now you can see how thick it is. There's the scope. Now I'm going to cut out the rest of the razor keeps coming out. Downside for this razor too. Next layer. Scope. Luckily it cut out, the last one cut out really good, so I'm going to need for a ruler to make sure these lines are straight. You see I'm bending the scope right now. It's not a big deal, because once you reinforce with that other layer, it's not going to matter. Close your razor. Pop it out. Supposed to. If you're thinking, why don't I just take out the other razor? That's because then the main blade I'm using will fall out easier. If I had that third razor put back in, it wouldn't fall. None of them should fall out, but it broke. So, got the layers. Now to glue this side. Get that second layer. The other copy of the scope. And super glue it on. Ooh, almost made a mistake right there. I almost put it the wrong way. Line it up. It's all lined up. I just press it, make sure it sticks together. Seems good. Get this extra layer. Put it on the other side. So hold it for a little bit longer. Okay. And this is what it's going to look like when I get it on there. It should look pretty decent. I think I made a tiny mistake. Oh well. Can't do nothing about it now. Not that big, just a little bit uneven. You can always cut it, but I don't think I'm going to. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this old one that was supposed to be for the assault rifle that was going to wrap around right here. I'm going to take this and cut it into two. Just going to hold it up. I'm going to bend like this to reinforce it. So that's what I'm going to do. You'll get these ideas like this as you go along. Okay. Okay. So let's get the scope on first. Cut that right there. Okay. If we're not still, this will not hold very well. Might want to take a little bit more time with this. Still wobbly. That's okay. Once we get these on there, it shouldn't be that bad. Okay. So this is going to be the shape. It's going to bend. It's going to be like this. Going to bend around the edge. Actually, hold on. It might go the other way. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. It's going to bend like this around it, the gun, and hold it up on both sides. Okay. barely press the trigger for this. Sit on there, hold it. Okay, it's on there. Do this part onto the gun. I'll show you in just a second. Super glue on the edge right here onto the battle rifle. It should be done. There we go. Now to get this part super glued on to the actual scope to reinforce it. Oh god, that's not good. That should not be. Okay. Careful when you hold it if you're going to do it like I am. Careful to burn yourself, by the way, with the glue. Hold the scope and hold the part you're gluing, just so it stays upright. Okay, it's done. Got your scope. Now to do the other side. Want the same length or so, just so it looks nice. The razor. It's kind of stuff you can just eye. You don't even have to measure it. You can, but you don't need to. Here it is. Yeah, it's already getting a lot stronger. Okay. Bend it before you get it on there. You can always look to the top and you can see where the other layer's at. So you can put it in almost the same exact spot, just on the other side. And I'm trying to get the layer underneath this right here. You can see I put it underneath. And got your shape. Now you know where to glue it. Glue it right there. Hold it. It's done. Repeat the process. If I wanted to make it more realistic, I could add more layers to the scope, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to give it a look right now. I'm going to get this. Take this layer right here now. Attach to the scope. And then I'll do a test and I'll show you how strong it is. Now it won't be super strong when it's done, but it ain't gonna fall off either. I'm flicking as hard as I can. It barely moves. So you have your scope. Alright, Hunting signing off.